Hey guys, just wanted to do an update today on the peppers and the tomatoes that we got sent out for winters. This is the Goodhearted tomato, and this is the hot heavy pepper that we got. Both are doing completely well and great. They're growing nice and big. Not much to expect from edibles, but I got to tell you, these have put on some growth and they absolutely look beautiful. The pepper plant, amazing. It looks great. It comes out yellow, starts turning to this light yellow, orange, and then this bright red is when they're ready. But this pepper plant has done well. It's growing quite bushy. I did receive 2 of these. The other one's growing well as well. The other tomato that we got here is the Goodhearted tomato. Now this one, I did receive one that was broken, but it's got 2 shoots that came out to the side and it's growing just the same. It's growing well. It's putting on a lot of tomatoes as well. Not as much as this said. Those are in smaller terracotta pots. They're a little bit more condensed, but again, the bigger the pot, the bigger they're going to get. This one's supposed to get about 14 inches tall, and it's pretty much right at that maximum height that it's going to get, but it's doing well. It's putting out a lot of growth. Tomatoes, peppers, these will get a little bit taller, but like I said, they're in containers. Definitely going to do these next year, put them in the ground and just watch them grow. Absolutely pleased with how they're performing. Now the pepper, I tasted the pepper. Now these are slightly hotter than jalapenos, and when I say slightly hotter, they're pretty hot. So I won't taste one here on camera, but what I'm going to show you is we're going to do some cream cheese stuffed peppers wrapped in bacon on the grill, so I can show you how to do that real quick and how they're going to taste once you put them on the grill. When you put them on the grill, they still have a nice kick, but it's less it has less heat than it would when you eat them raw. And the tomato here, so these tomatoes they're getting quite ripe. This one's just about good. I'm going to cut into this one and show you exactly what it looks like. It has a nice heart shape open into it. I'm going to show you guys what exactly it looks like. We'll move on to the peppers and putting those on the grill as well. Alright guys, so I got this one tomato, like I said, it's quite ready. We're going to cut into it and show you exactly what it looks like and give it a little taste test real quick. Just like I said, you cut into it, it's got a nice heart shape. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Completely surprised by the way it looks. We're going to give this a taste and see what it tastes like. It's got a nice heart like a cherry tomato. Absolutely delicious. I think it'll be good in salad. This is absolutely good. Now we're going to move on to the stuffed peppers. Alright guys, so with these peppers, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the stem off here. And what I normally do with the peppers is I cut them right down the middle in half. Now what we do with these is we scrape out the seeds. Just get rid of that stuff there. And what I do is I get a small spoonful of cream cheese. We just put that in there like this. Oh. And then with the bacon, depending on how big the pepper is, you can use 1 slice, half a slice, just enough to cover it up. So what I usually do is just grab it here, and I start to wrap the pepper. So it's wrapped in about 2 layers of bacon. Then I'll cut it right there, and that's wrapped there. Alright guys, so we got all our peppers wrapped. We're about to put these on the grill and I'll show you what they look like as soon as they come out. Alright guys, so here's our cream cheese bacon wrap peppers ready to go. They look absolutely delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and try one real quick and let you know what it tastes like. The heat's still there, but it's not as hot as when they're actually raw. But it's a nice flavor combination with the bacon, the saltiness, and the pepper. And the cream cheese just brings that all together. Absolutely delicious. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said before, very pleased with these 2 plants and the way they perform. The foliage on this one is just absolutely beautiful. The color of the peppers are absolutely beautiful. From green, yellow, orange to red. Absolutely looks great. The tomatoes are absolutely great. Can't wait till these ripen up very, very good. And we were able to try those in a salad or taste them in other meals as well. But this right here, if you haven't tried this, definitely go and try it out. We do this occasionally. Something we always do when we grill outside with jalapenos. But I'll be using these until we run out. And this pepper will go all the way to fall. So that's one of the good things. We'll have plenty of these peppers growing. I got 2 plants, so plenty of cream cheese stuffed peppers to come by in the next few months. But again, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe down below. If you haven't given this video a like, please give it a like, and we'll see you guys in the next video.